never met the broskies. God's plan. God's plan. I can't do this on my own. Hey, no. Someone watching this shit close. Yep, close. I've been me since Scarlet Road. Hey, what's up, guys? Good to have you all. Good to have you all. It's another day to move the markets. Mark your attendance. Where are you watching me from? Bad things. There's a lot of bad things. Guys, I am trading Australian dollar versus Canadian dollar, and this is binary options trading. So good to have you all, guys. Good to have you all. Tell me how is your day moving for you so far? Guys, we are in with our first sales for tonight. Let's see how it goes. This is a trading assembly. You're free to ask me any trading question that you want to know. You know how we've been doing it every night. We've been learning and also catching up as traders. Abby, good to see ya. Ivy Hassan. Oh my god. What's up? Khan, what's up? Sammy, Joe, Godfrey. Let us execute another move. Anything like Tibara from Budapest, good to see ya. Guy, what's up? Tell me how you do it every night, guys. We show up here because why not? If you're not showing up for yourself, no one is gonna show up for you. So that's what we've been doing every night, 8 p.m. UK time. So we are just beginning and the market is already running to the moon. Someone comment moon because that's where we're heading for real. Tell me, boy, what are we? We better be what you wanna be. Guys, the pullback is done, so we are adding these buys. You can see the market has been flying to the moon. Gave us two strong bearish candles, but they didn't really make a great move to the downside, so we're anticipating the market to continue with its original trend unless otherwise. When it fails to break the most recent high, then that's when we know the market could be onto something. That is pure price action knowledge. Just that, not complicating things, just simple market structure. Please share your method. Oh my. It is a strategy. When it comes to trading, we call it a strategy, not a method. And my strategy is simple. It is pure price action. Just stick around. You're going to be seeing all these moves. I don't need no Molly to be savage. Hey. When I'm on that Molly, I feel savage. She the definition of a bad bitch. Stole her. I'm the definition of a bandit. I don't need no Molly to be savage. Hey, but when I'm on the Molly, I feel savage. Hey, my girl, the definition of a bad bitch. Stole her heart. I'm the definition of a bandit. Mark your attendance, traders. Where are you watching me from? This is a trading assembly. I'm nice when I'm high off the pills, I'ma fuck with her. I don't smoke skunk, but tonight I'm getting stuck, nigga. Hold the codeine up and put some Molly in the cup with her. I know she a freak, she gon' fuck with it. She my Velcro, guess I'm stuck with her. Dive in it like a sailor, I love the nail, addicted to her paraphernalia, I had to tell her. Ivan, good to see ya, good to see you, Imran.
could do better. Bad bitch from the woods, I think she a hunter. She a killer and a eater, she a Jeffrey Dahmer. I can tell when she in the feelings, I could read her like a book. Don't take no beretta effing on me, am I understood? Yeah. I don't need no Molly to be savage. When I'm on that Molly, I feel savage. She the definition of a bad bitch, stole her. I'm the definition of a bandit. I don't need no Molly to be savage.
Someone is saying play some Espanol. Good. Guys, tell me, how did you spend your day? Were you indoors? Are you chilling with fam? Were you looking at your chats? How are you spending your day today? Hey Riman, what's up?
If we got a problem, we get rid of homie. Put 20,000 in your pocket, we gon' get the money. I'm the definition of a bandit. Took your heart from out his hands and still ain't saying shit. Some new killers in my circle you done ran with. Like this 30-38, this bitch are damaged. Poppin' Willis, 4K straight car when you land with it. I let you drive inside my bros where they been laying with it. I wrote this bitch, I open up a can with it. Like fuck the stove, I make it jump without my hand in it. I don't need no Molly to be savage. When I'm on that Molly, I feel savage. She the definition of a bad bitch, stole her.
I'm a definition of a body.
I don't need no Molly to be savage.
How am I doing, guys? I'm very okay.
I'm the definition of a bandit.
I'm okay. Yes, it's been a nice weekend for me. You know, guys, like I always tell you, Saturdays I spend it with some of my family members, and I love it that way. So, guys, how did you spend your day? And you know, here we take no day offs when it comes to the chats. We are always here every night. Derivation, good to see ya.
Yeah, I'm gonna take my horse.
10 trades, 90% profits for today. Oh my god. That's some good. I guess you're feeling very great, guy. What were you trading? Which asset were you trading that gave you such good moves?
Riding on a horse, you get with your horse. I've been in the valley, you ain't been up off that porch. Now can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Can't nobody tell me nothing.
AR, good to see ya. Didan, good to see ya. Gold, you are on gold. Milking. Yeah, it is always nice when you see a fellow trader eating. I mean, as long as the markets are still here, that's what we're going to be doing.
Can't nobody tell me nothing.
Levin, what's up? Jackson, good to see ya.
Till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse to the hotel room. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. Hat down, cross town, living like a rock star. Spend a lot of money on my brand new guitar. Baby's got a habit, diamond rings and Fendi sports bras. Riding down Rodeo in my Maserati sports car. Got no stress, I've been through all that. I'm like a Marlboro man, so I keep going back. Wish I could roll on back to that old town road. I wanna.
Niven, good to see ya. Pearl, good to see ya. Good to have you all, guys. Tell me, how did you spend your day? Did you look at your chats today? Guys, let us increase our risk. You know how we'll be doing it. As long as the account has grown, that's when you increase the risk. Pure risk management discipline. I'm talking to you. See you standing over there with your body. Feeling like I in that I'm using this skeleton channel, I'm using it with its default settings. Guys, it's not that all my entries are based on the indicator. I also back it up with my price action knowledge. These friends keep talking way too much. Say I should give you up. Can't hear them no goodbye. I've been here all night. I've been here all day. And boy, got me walking side to side. I've been here all night. I've been here all day. Hi, Lion. Good to see ya. Good to hug you. Been trying to hide it. Baby, what's it gonna hurt if they don't know? Making everybody think that we so long. Just as long as you know you got me. And boy, I got you. Cause tonight I'm making deals with the devil. And I know it's gonna get me in trouble. Just as long as you know you got me. These friends keep talking way too much. Say I should give you up. Can't hear them no goodbye. I've been here all night. I've been here all day. And boy, got me walking side to side. I've been here all night. I've been here all day. And boy, got me walking side to side. It's the new style with the fresh type of flow. Miss Icicle, ride deck bicycle. Come true, yo. Get you this type of blow. If you wanna manage, I got a tricycle. All these bitches shows is my mini me. Now these smoking, so they call me Young Nicky Chimney. Rappers and they feelin' since they feelin' me. I give 0 fucks and I got 0 shilling me. Kissing me, have the blue box that say Tiffany. Curry with the shot, just tell me, call me Stephanie. Gun pop, and I make my gun pop. I'm the queen of rap, young Ariana Run Pop. These friends keep talking way too much. Say I should give them up. Can't hear them no, cause I've been there all night. I've been there all day. And Lord, got me out to side. I've been there all night. I've been there all day. Oh, baby. Got me out to side. It's the new style with the fresh type of flow. Miss Icicle, ride deck bicycle. I'm true, yo. Get you this type of blow. If you wanna manage, I got a tricycle. Nature's good to see ya.
I was a liar. I gave it
Yun Kian, good to see ya. Guys, good to have you all. This is a trading assembly. You know how we do it. You know how we do it every night. We'll be moving the market. So mark your attendance where you're watching from, and you're free to ask any trading question. My strategy is simple, pure price action. We do not complicate things here. Time. The input I'm using is Clotina channel, and I'm using it with this default setting, guys. So let us move the market. I don't know where sellers are going, but I'm gonna move with them because why not? Can you forgive me? At least it's temporary. I know that this is my fault. Oh my god, guys, are you seeing what I'm seeing? We have really close 3 entries here in a plus. Let us see if we can get another entry to the downside. Pullback, yes, what we're seeing is that the market is getting into a pullback. Oh my god, my entry is invalidated. Damn. Sticky links, good to see ya. Last time. Guys, you're free to ask any trading question. How is the weekend moving for you? Did you look at your charts today? One last time. The one who takes you home. It's a beautiful night, I can say. And I had a beautiful day.
Go outside. Big time forward.
Oh my god.
The star boy there, so. Came into the game, no one replace me. Me love my energy, straight me no chaser. All of my guys know me all about me paper. Me got me girls all around me, me no chaser. Yeah,
Star boy coming number one.
Why me tune drop the girls that bounce along? Me don't let nothing come between me and me paper. So when me come in, I replace me on that taker. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, come closer. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, come closer. Me number one in my city. Me steady representing for me city. African boy, me rep my team.
Let us capitalize on this move.
Big come through like a soldier. She give me tea and she pleasing my rosa. She got the keys to my Porsche and my Rover. We in Miami living la vida loca. Yeah, yeah, you got the teen, I know. You got the body, I know. You make me sing, I know.
Oh my god. We're moving, guys. We are moving.
You got the body, I know. You make me sing, I know. You make me sing, I know. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, come closer. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, come closer. To mix up in drama, to go outside. To mix up in drama, to free my mind. Jealous people around me, I need to change my life. I just turn colder every time I try. What would I do without you, my Charlie? I don't feel that way with anybody. Tell me your secrets, I'm not messy. Steady it for me, girl, hold steady. I wanna put you in my life. Your hair smell like the tropics, your body look nice. One fuck now, hold me.
Yeah, someone comment locked in because that's what we're doing every night. So, and guys, comment locked in so that when I'm explaining a move, you can easily catch on. Yeah. Baby, come closer. I want want to see more guys locked in, someone comment locked in. So that when you're moving the market and I'm explaining a move, you can easily catch on. My strategy is simple, pure price action, not complicating things today, tomorrow, or any day. With trading, you have to look for simplicity. It's not all about picking confluences that are so hard for you to understand. Pick a few things that you can understand and you know you are going to trade with them consistently. You capture every. Guys, I capture the moves that are present in the market. And like I told you guys, if you are in a trendy market, you can still get moves that are in the opposite direction as long as you understand market structure. We all know market structure is going to be showing you the turning points in the market, that is the highs and the lows. And with the as a pure price action trader, it is key to know such moments because that's where you know the market is heading to either take out the high or the low. That's it.
Check. Now before I digress, my girl, you told me that I'm not your love interest. See my girl, the last time that I check, see nothing ain't changed yet. Except that I got a big back and a big flag. Tell me nobody tell me nonsense, my nigga. Streets is so cold, my nigga. When nobody come try cry me a river. I'ma pull through like the strings on my guitar. Nonsense, my nigga. The shoes is so cold, my nigga. When nobody come try cry me a river. I'ma pull through like the strings on my guitar.
So cold outside, my brother.
I don't want pull no trigger. I just want me, what's up going play? I don't want no wahala. It's so cold outside, my brother. I just want me, what's up going play? I don't want no wahala. It's so cold outside. Me, I know they like nothing to worry me.
I got nothing to worry me.
They no owe no one apology. You know, say she don't know the bother nobody.
The strategy is price action, guys, and with price action, what you're basically looking out for is understanding market direction. If it's an uptrend, the market is moving upwards, and the market structure is series of higher highs and higher lows. And with an uptrend, the market is continuously breaking the highs and maintaining the strong lows. The opposite is true for a downtrend. The market is moving downwards. Market is moving downwards, and it is making series of lower highs and lower lows. With a downtrend, the market is constantly taking out lows and maintaining the highs. So in that case, lower highs are the strong points in a downtrend because those highs, they push the market down to be able to take out the most recent low. That is the logic behind it.
I know they like nothing to worry me. I know they like nothing to bother me.
That is the logic behind market structure. And every after a break of structure or every after when the market has taken out the most recent low for a downtrend and the most recent high in an uptrend, we start anticipating a pullback. So that's the mindset we are moving the markets with tonight. Let me hope you guys are locked in.
Hey Samantha, your mother tell me about that boy the way I talk to, I want you to leave that boy there alone. You hear me say? Don't play with me, no make me and you have nothing. You understand me?
Rock City get busy.
My new subscriber, good to have you. Good to have you on a trading assembly. Every night you're always here moving the market, and you're free to ask me any trading question. I am trading binary options. And then, as you know how we be doing it, we are locked in for life. For life. I'm glad you guys are locked in with me for life. When I'm waking up. Because you're also a new subscriber. Good to see ya. Good to have you. This is a trading assembly. You're always here every night. And you're free to ask me any trading question because why not? We already we know we got some haters. It's okay, we know that they will never break us. Break us, never break us. Call me your angel, but you know I keep it real. You and me, we blowing up torpedo. Yeah, price action strategy. Actually, guys, why I resorted to be trading with it. It can be applicable on all time frame, regardless from a higher time frame to the least of the time frames. Price action is easily applied on all, and it can be applied on all in all markets. You know what I'm talking about, guys? Even though they tell me that I'm crazy. Because basically with price action, you're just looking at the market price movement. That's why in this strategy, understanding the key highs and key lows in a market is going to make you easy. It's going to make it easier for you to execute entries. And when you're on your execution time, you also look at the most recent high and the most recent low, because in between those points, the market is going to be showing you either it's going to react to the high or to react to the most recent low. That is pure price action knowledge shared here every night. So just stick around as you are looking in. Even though they tell me that I'm crazy. Oh, you know you'll always be my baby love.
Hey, Samantha, your mother tell me about that boy the way I talk to, you know. I want you to leave that boy there alone. You hear me say? Don't play with me. You understand me?
Oh my God. What happened here? Don't let entries taking me out and they go in my direction. Guys, one thing, the beauty about trading and why I am locked in for life when it comes to trading is like we have no limitations. It is you to limit yourself and your market discipline and your patience that is going to limit you. Because I'm seeing someone is asking, can I grow $10 to 100? Yes, you can, as long as you know what you're doing. Trading, we are not limited by anything except ourselves. That's why we are locked in for life. It's all about what you're doing and understanding what you're doing, basically. But reminder, guys, trading is so risky. You have to get into the market when you know what you're doing. And whatever I share here is not financial investment. It is purely for learning purposes. If you're gonna get into investments, you should consult the right people. This is just a platform to learn. So you're free to ask any trading question. You and me, we blowing up torpedo. Me, I you right up, boy, you know me never leave you. Leave you, for real. It can't get no better. Once we stick together. Even though they tell me that I'm crazy. Donation contest. Of course, guys, in a few we are gonna get into the donations. And if you want to be part of the participants, there's a link in the description. You can use that donation link in the description. But for now, let us be moving our markets because why not? What confirmation are you looking out for? Guys, the confirmations I always be looking out for, it is basically my strategy. And like I always tell you with my strategy, or actually guys, what you can do, even with your own strategy, you should be following it in a certain order. So me, I start with understanding the market direction. It is going to be easier for me to understand if I'm in an uptrend, where I can look for a pullback entry, where I can look for a continuation entry. The other thing I do is understanding market structure, and I refine my entries with candlestick patterns. Candlestick patterns are the first signals that are going to show if the market is getting into a pullback, is getting into a reversal, is getting into a continuation, based on how they are printed and the areas that they are printed in. And market structure is the confluence that shows you the areas where you can look for candlestick patterns for your entries. So let me hope I've answered you, my friend. Those are the three confluences or confirmations I best on to take my entries.
You already know she vexed. She always vexed the man. Don't worry. I gonna make it out that later. Yeah, you don't know. It's the international lovers rock.
I'm using the Keltina channel and I'm using default settings for both indicators. I mean, we don't complicate things here. Just open-minded and just watching their current price action printing on the chart, and we based on that to execute.
Until I throw you on the bed. Put it down, pull your head, kiss your neck. Hey, you love messing with my head. Sometimes I think that you not even upset. One day me know you
Even talking to you makes me wanna call you.
1 minute you hit me, then the next you want me put it on you.
I love it when we fight just to make love. Funny how backwards time to make it love. I get under your skin, babe, just because. I love it when we fight just to make love.
Well, make it up to me, baby. I make you happy in the bed. But girl, it's so much better anytime I get you mad. Hey, why you so wicked and bad? Attitude makes me wanna bend you over my legs. Hey, scream and yell in the house down. Sometimes you love me, sometimes you're coming from my head. Hey, we are with the whole town, fighting like teenagers all over again. Yelling, screaming, and not threatening that I'm gonna leave you. When we get back to it again, and baby, here's the reason. I love it when we fight just to make love.
How can someone access my mentorship? Guys, this is a trading assembly. I be sharing all my trading knowledge here, and I'm dropping more videos about my strategy. All you have to do is to just subscribe and wait for the videos to drop, and when they drop, watch them and practice whatever is in the videos. Basically, that's what you have to do.
Well, make it up to me, baby. Well, make it up to me, baby. Well, make it up to me. Make it up to me.
I love it when we fight just to make love. Funny how backwards turn to making love. I get under your skin just because. I love it when we fight just to make love. Just to make love. Funny how backwards turn to making love. I get under your skin, babe, just because. I love it when we fight just to make love.
to me, baby.
Oh my god, look at this. Oh my god. My entries are not surviving. Damn. There was some clip where I got taken out. All those that are asking about how to get into the donations, if you're finding it a hard time, you can write to me via Telegram. There's a link in the description for my Telegram. I'll guide you, my dear, from there.
She works the nights by the water. She's gone astray, so far away from her father's daughter. She just wants a life for a better. All on her own, no one will come. She's got to save him. She tells him, ooh, love, no one's ever gonna hurt you, love. I'm gonna give you all of my love. Nobody matters like you. She tells him your life ain't gonna be nothing like my life. You're gonna grow and have a good life. I'm gonna do what I got to do. So rock-a-bye, baby, rock-a-bye. I'm gonna rock you, rock-a-bye, baby, don't you cry. Somebody's got you, rock-a-bye, baby, rock-a-bye. I'm gonna rock you, rock-a-bye,
Baby,
rock-a-bye.
Single mom, what you doing out there? Facing the hard life without no fear. Just see and know that you really care. Cause any obstacle come, you well prepare. And no, mama, you never shed tear. Cause you have to set things year after year. And you give the youth love beyond compare. You find the school fee and the bus fare. When the pops disappear, in a wrong bar, can't find it nowhere. Steadily you work slow, every little you know, so you're not stop, no time for your dare.
Now she got a 6-year-old.
trying to keep it warm.
Trying to keep all the gold. When he looks in her eyes, he don't know he is safe when she says, ooh, love.
Oh yeah, it's already moving in my direction as anticipated. Let's see. Nice. This continuation really moved so fast in my direction.
Somebody's got you, rock-a-bye, baby, rock-a-bye. I'm gonna rock you, rock-a-bye, baby, don't you cry.
Bang, 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 alright then. Rock-a-bye, rock-a-bye. Rock-a-bye, rock-a-bye. Rock-a-bye, down by the cry. Lift up your head, lift it up to the sky, yo. Rock-a-bye, down by the cry. Angels are
I mean, what you're saying, being,
Trying to keep him warm, trying to
we all know Haman's a reverse candlestick patterns. The key is seeing them in key areas.
Nobody matters like you. She tells him your life ain't gonna be nothing like my life. You're gonna grow and have a good life. I'm gonna do what I got to do. Yeah. So rock-a-bye, baby, rock-a-bye.
rock-a-bye,
You rock-a-bye, baby, don't you cry.
rock-a-bye.
You rock-a-bye, baby, rock-a-bye. You rock-a-bye, baby, don't you cry.
You're free to ask any trading question, guys. Don't hesitate. And for all those that are asking about strategy and learning, my strategy is simple, pure price action. I have videos on this channel talking about it, and more are gonna be dropped on this same channel. All you have to do is to subscribe and wait.
What's going on? It's been 3 weeks now that I've been in this city. You said there's going to be plenty of fish, but there's no fish yet. What's going on now?
We gotta go to Instagram.
What? Insta what?
Instagram.
Stop talking and take the picture, my brother. Stop talking and take the picture. My name is Sugar Daddy. Your boyfriend is important, but I am important.
I'm
So come
important.
and use me, baby.
Yeah. You know you want a better man in your life. Use me, baby. Shut it. Can't put no money in your bank. Can't put no gas in your tank. Can't satisfy you with the length. Nothing with him I do not make sense. You know him come and pose like him a box. Every minute that you with him is a loss. If all you get is stress and the abuse, maybe be the better man when you can choose. Then what's the use? If him can't make you happy and him still can't give you a youth, then what's the use? If your leg now shake, my girl, you need a substitute. Cause him now no use. Me know you feel up on the lies and you're tired of
Oh my god, you guys are so interesting. Welcome to the Trading Assembly. Keep marking your attendance where you're watching me from. You know how we be doing it every night. This is binary options trading. Hey. Yeah, my monies. Cameroon, what's up? What's up? Good to have you. Day 20 and you're strong. That's it. That's the consistency we'll be talking about every day. And guys, you know, one thing about trading, consistency is going to help you also build discipline.
Use me, baby. Alright, got no use. Well, I don't really care. As long as you use me, just know that I'll be there. If you should choose me, well, I don't really care. As long as you use me, cause you can get
all my love.
You can get all my love. You can get all my love. And what's the use? If him can't make you happy and him still can't give you a youth, then what's the use?
Spirit Quad Project, what's up, what's up? Guys, this is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question on this assembly. Every trader is free to express themselves as long as we're talking about trading. So feel free to ask any trading question. Subscribe because more videos about my strategy are being dropped. That's it. Use me, baby. God knows.
So just use me, baby, or I ain't got no use.
What's this? Oh my god. Never. Guys, this structure is beautiful, so let us execute these buys and see how it goes for us. This is a pullback.
Your willing victim. I let you see the parts of me that weren't all that pretty. With every touch you fix me. Now you've been talking in your sleep.
Oh, things you never say to me.
Oh, tell me that you've had enough.
Just give me a reason, just a little. Let me know if you're not wearing a hoodie. I am, and I understand the weather. But sometimes you just feel like wearing something for just the emotions, not the weather. Sometimes you just want to feel.
I'm sorry, I don't understand where all of this is coming from. I thought that we were fine. We had your head is running wild again. My dear, we still have everything.
Hey, you're new here. No, I don't think so. You're not new. And guys, one thing I want to tell you about when it comes to spotting the strong highs and the strong lows in the market. When the market is pulling back, it is not like always it is a straight curve. Sometimes the market can pull back in a consolidating way, but that doesn't mean that it is not really moving. Or that doesn't mean that the most strong highs and the lows are invalid. That's why I always tell you guys, make sure you get to understand the strong highs and the strong lows in the market, because sometimes the market is going to be moving in a consolidating way, creating highs and lows, but they are not valid. They are just in between that market structure of the strong high and the low. Let me hope you guys got that. We can learn to love again. You can't sing. Of course, I am a trader. I can trade.
I came to win, to fight, to conquer, to thrive. I came to win, to survive, to prosper, to rise, to fly. Maybe that'll kind of make the pain go away. Trying to forgive you for abandoning me. Praying, but I think I'm still an angel away. Angel away, yeah, strange in a way. Maybe that is why I chase strangers away. They got their guns out aiming at me, but I become Neo when they aiming at me. Me against them, me against enemies, me against friends. Somehow they both seem to become.
I'm on ride or die with your strategy. I mean, that's how it should be. Let me hope when you get a strategy, you're really practicing it. That's what you're meaning by your ride or die. Because it is different from knowing the strategy on books and knowing the strategy on charts. It's totally different. On books, it's always clear and straight. But when you get on the charts, that's where reality kicks in. So it's always best to know your strategy on charts rather on books.
Everybody wanna try to box me in, suffocating every time it locks me in, painting their own pictures that they crop me in, but I will remain with the top begins, cause I am not a word, I am not a line, I am not a girl that can ever be defined, I am not fly, I am levitation,
I represent an entire generation.
Criticism loud and clear. That is how I know that the time is near. So you become alive in a time of fear. And I ain't got no motherfucker pound of fear. Cry my eyes out for days upon days. Such a heavy burden placed upon me. But when you go hard, your names become yays. Yankee Stadium with Jays and Kanye. To fly, to conquer, to fly.
I came to win, to survive.
Prosper, to rise, to fly.
You're trading it every day. I mean, that's how it should be. Consistency is key for any trader.
Get ready for it. Get ready for it. I came to win. Get ready for it. Get ready for it. Get ready for it.
I I love your strategy. I want the secret of the strategy. Guys, it is simple. The secret to trading is being consistent. If you don't plan to be consistent, then it's really gonna take you some time to start seeing results compared to someone who is determined to be consistent no matter what. That's the secret. I mean, guys, I'm just from spilling my secret. But anyways, I'm always sharing the pro tips that you can really apply in your trading. So that's it.
Well, you know I can sing. Shorty a little body, shorty my little old thing, and shorty got the fatty. Shorty be catching mood swings. Every time I fuck without a rubber, I let it on the cover, and I kept it on the cover, 'cause I don't kiss and tell. Every time I fuck, she call me daddy.
My little mama
I
nasty.
see the pussy through the panties. She tastes like candy. She a queen like the fatigue. Oh, my little mama, she crazy. And we be shopping through the city. I gave the keys to the Bentley. Get off your knees, you don't gotta cry to me. I'm your best friend, baby, you don't gotta lie. I get you everything that you want and you need, from Chanel to Celine.
Seeing, good to see you from India. Rod, what's up? There's a link in the description for the broker that I'm using, Mike, and it is pocket options.
I put you in an Uber and sent you to your bed. The very next day, you sent me a text. You pulled up to the crib and we did it again. Shorty your little body, shorty my little old thing, and shorty got the fatty. Shorty be catching.
The strategy is simple, pure perception. We don't complicate things here, guys. Who is ready for the donations? Someone comment ready, because in a few we are getting to them.
First time blushing, I ain't even gon' lie. 4 rounds in, even booties on your thighs. You the only bitch can make me spin off on the guys. And the only bitch that make me wanna know when I'm inside. It's your vibe, living me, you getting high. I need bitches fucking with you, even if they try. See a tsunami, I ain't never felt it dry. So my eyes while I sleep, hope you be there when I wake. Honestly, I feel a vibe, we had a thing. If there's something on your mind,
You guys are crazy. You're so interesting, to be honest. Guys, don't forget to ask any trading question. I mean, that's why we are always here every night to catch up as traders, share our experience. Yeah, and we are always locked in.
She my biggest fan, she always lurking. She know I'm a man, I'ma put that work in. No, she can't stand me, I'm fancy. So I'ma bring her out when I do my
Mommy.
Late night sex, she can find panties. Couldn't hold it in, now she need a plan B. Shorty a little baddie, she my little bull thing.
And shorty got the fatty. Shorty be catching mood swings.
I can see you already. In a few, I'm gonna get into them.
And I kept it on the cover, 'cause I don't kiss and tell.
Excuse me.
I used
she loves sleeping all alone. This time around, bring a friend with you. But we ain't really gonna
Guys, reminder while you're on that stream, don't forget to ask any trading question. You cannot copy my trade because of the YouTube time lag, so focus on learning and also catching up with fellow traders because why not?
Get me redder than the devil till I go. Now she asks me if I do this every day.
I say often.
That's how many times she rode the wave, not so often. Bitches down to do it either way. Often, baby, I can make that pussy rain. Often, often, often. Girl, I do this often. Make that pussy pop it. Do it how I want it. Often, often. Girl, I do this often. Make that pussy pop it. Do it how I want it.
Yes, there's a link in the description for the Telegram channel. You can join, and also for my Telegram. Link is down in the description.
That girl been drinking all day, need a change bladder. She just happy that the crew back in town. She about to go downtown for a whole hour. If I had it, you can have it, man, it don't matter. I'm never sour, I'm just smoking something.
Guys, let us secure our profit for tonight, then we get into the donation.
That's how many times she rode the wave, not so often. Bitches down to do it either way. Often, baby, I can make that pussy rain. Often, often, often. Girl, I do this often. Make that pussy pop it. Do it how I want it. Often, often. Girl, I do this often. Make that pussy pop it. Do it how I want it. Often. Ooh, the sun's rising up. The night's almost done. The night's almost done. But I see your eyes. You wanna go again?
Guys, we are ready. We are ready for our first participant. Someone wish luck to all the participants for tonight. Guys, and if you ask a question and I do not get to see it, you ask again.
Bitches down to do it either way. Often, baby, I can make that pussy rain. Often, often, girl, I do this often. Make that pussy pop it. Do it how I want it. Often, often, girl, I do this often. Make that pussy pop it. Do it how I want it. Often. Yeah.
Oh my god, excuse me, guys.
Show me something new, something worth my time. I know sometimes I drive you crazy, babe. Are you down for the ride? I'm saying whenever I need you, hesitate to slide. I'm not a lot of lame niggas claiming that they real niggas, but that shit was for sure. Shorty, tell me what it is, but you can't be that boy. You know I need that. When you say you love me, shorty, show me that you mean it. Show you mean it.
All right, guys. Let me see you comment locked in. Let me see you comment locked in. I don't know what you mean in Cameroon, but I know we are all locked in for life. As long as the markets are here, we are all locked in for life. Let us look for our first entry.
Loyalty, you making it hard for me.
But you a little caramel like my curves. You really need to rock my world. You in the kitchen with the dishes on the counter, you done threw the first lick. And I hit you with a counter switch, and hit you on the counter cause you love us.
Guys, first entry in and we already having movement in our direction. Oh my god. I don't want to see any red candle closing below my entry. Alright. First item locked in.
I'm looking for a shot and that's alright.
Just need some loyalty, someone who's alright for me.
Boy, just match my loyalty.
Swear you won't give up on me, boy. Just need some loyalty, someone who's alright for me. Boy, just match my loyalty. Swear you won't give up on me. Give up on me, so you fuck with me. If you stay down, then you know stopping me. Keep it real with me, baby, bear with me. You a real nigga, not who you bear with me. Your eyes match your age. Boy, don't say that if it can't happen.
The market is still moving upwards, but we are starting to see some
Just need some loyalty, someone who's alright for me. Boy, just match my loyalty. Swear you won't give up on me, boy. Just need some loyalty, someone who's alright for me. Boy, just match my loyalty.
second attempt locked in. Just want to go. Wow. Sellers are onto something here. Let us see if they're going to maintain this movement to the downside. Or it's just any other fake out.
We could leave the Christmas lights up till January. This is our place. We make the rules.
Guys, let me see you type congratulations to James. Natures, you're still locked in. I can see.
20 seconds, 20 years. Can I go where you go? Can we always?
And you know how we do it, guys. Everything goes to the participant.
Take me home. You're my lover. We could let our friends crash in the living room.
Are you a Swiftie? Some days I am.
We made the call. And I'm highly suspicious that
Anyone sees you wants you. Guys, you know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant because why not?
I wanna know. Can I go where you go?
Okay, let us get ready for our next participant.
Lover. Ladies and gentlemen, will you please stand with every kiss so straight star on my hand?
I take this radical force of a man to be mine.
Lover, my heart's been borrowed and yours has been new. Also that ends well to end up with you. Swear to be over dramatic and true to mine.
Guys, sellers are moving the market.
All you do is just fall.
Let's see if we are gonna get any strength.
Every table, I'll save you a Can we always be this close forever and ever? Take me out and take me home forever and ever. You're mine. Oh, you're
Lover. All right, first attempt is locked in. Guys, this is a trading assembly. You're free to ask me any trading question. Mark your attendance where you're watching me from. We move on to our next participant for tonight.
It's so silly in me to act like I don't need you back. When all I can think about is that since I seen you last, I know I didn't have to walk away. All I had to do was ask for space. I'm telling you, be on your way. When I told you to fall back, so can you come pick up your clothes?
Alright, I see you, Eric. Good to see ya.
Meet me at the door.
Wow. I mean, this is what I'm talking about. I love executing entries and they immediately go in my direction. That was fast. Let me see, type congratulations. Let me see, type congratulations.
I'll let your body decide if this is good enough for you. Already falling it for you, already falling it for you. I'll let your body decide if this is good enough for you. Already falling it for you, already.
Guys, let me see, type. Let me see, type congratulations to our participants.
Switch the story up, I know I made my mark. And I will still choose you through it all.
And you know how we do it, everything goes to the participants at home.
I don't need no more empty promises. Promise me that you got it. I don't need roses, just need some flowers for my garden. Can't you go back to how you loved on me when you started? I'll be here begging for you. You should be giving me love all damn day till the day is done. So if you wanna go that way, I'll be waiting for you to come pick up your clothes. I have been holding, meet me at the door. While it's still open, I know it's getting cold. So come pick up your clothes. I haven't put it. So come pick up your clothes. I haven't put it. Meet me at my door. It's still open. I know it's
Alright, guys, we move on to our next just to attempt. Someone comment locked in. I want to know how many are still locked in so that when I'm explaining a move, you can easily catch on.
I'll let your body decide. This is good enough for you. Already falling it for you. Already falling it for you. I'll let your body decide. This is good enough for you. Already falling it for you.
This is a trading assembly. You're free to ask me any trading question. I'm trading binary options. My strategy is simple, pure price action. Yeah. Let us wait for a move that is in line with our strategy.
Oh, na, 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 na. Magic. Hey.
This is a clear buy, so let's see how it goes.
I go
Right, you're having already movement in our direction. That's what I mean.
Won't you be mine?
First attempt in.
She a fit see you today. In your body, feel cut in my wire. All over you to find. It's a banana like monkey, body sweeter than turkey. Slowly roll it down like your speed. No, they take on far from me. Surely go down, down for me. But it goes so far now, money. Girl, no go down, so don't me. You're too short, enter for me. All over, all over, all over, all over, all over again. Where you are in a villa is only fine, so you fit the color of my brain, yeah. All over, all over, all over, all over, all over again, yeah. She go beside me, yeah. We never see this kind of love, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Guys, this is a pullback, but I am still bullish until the most recent strong low is taken out by the market. Then that's when we shall know that the market is sellers are kicking in and they are switching structure. And I guess when I tell you always, whenever when it comes to break of structure, you have to see a candle closing below or above it. That's what really makes it so valid. So it's not just about the market breaking structure. You have to be seeing the candle closure.
All over, all over, all over, all over, all over again. She go beside me, yeah.
Alright, 2 attempts locked in. I mean, this was really smooth. Let me see you type congratulations. Guys, to Guerrero. That is sweeter than cookie.
Just can't touch. You wanna share the world, but no one knows your name yet. You really wonder where and how you gonna make it.
Oh my god, my first attempt is taken out.
The door keeps slamming.
Let us be fun and try again.
We live and we learn to take one step at a time. There's no need to rush. It's like learning to fly or falling in love. It's gonna happen, it's supposed to happen, and we find the reasons why. One step at a time. You believe and you doubt. You're confused, you got it all figured out. Everything that you always dreamed of could be yours, should be yours, would be yours. If they only knew. You wanna share the world, but no one knows your name yet. You're wondering where and how you're gonna make it. If you get the chance, and you face in the dark and slamming. You feel more and more frustrated, and you get
in with our, oh my god, I don't want to look at this, any red candle. Okay. Right. Looked in and we find the reasons why. One step at a time. When you can't wait any longer, you can't wait. But there's no end in time. When you step up straight, it's a faith that makes you. Let us catch on this reversal now. What? Being taken out is one thing, but being taken out by a low momentum candle, that's also some other kind of pain. I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry about that. Next time, better. No need to run. It's like learning to fly or falling in love. It's gonna happen. So constant. And we find the reasons why. One step at a time. I will always remember the day you kissed my lips, light as a feather. And it went just like this. No, it's never been better than the summer of 2002. We were only 11, but acting like grown-ups, like we are in the present. Drinking from plastic cups, singing love is forever and never. Well, I guess that was true. Dancing on the hood in the middle of the woods of an old Mustang, where we sang songs with all our childhood friends. And it went like this, say, oops. Guys, let us catch on these cells. You can see structure is clear. Let us see if our anticipate. Okay, exactly as I anticipated. First attempt in. Fast forward to 18, we are more than lovers. Yeah, we are all we need when we're holding each other. I'm taken back to 2002. Yeah, dancing on the hood in the middle of the woods of an old Mustang, where we sang songs with all our childhood friends. And it went like this, say, oops, I got 99 problems singing bye, bye, bye. Hold up, if you wanna go and take a ride with me, believe me, baby, one more time. Wait a minute, just for you with me on the days when we were young. Singing at the top of both our lungs on the day we fell in love. On the day we fell in love. Dancing on the hood in the middle of the woods of an old. Guys, let me see type congratulations to Fred. Let me see type congratulations to friends. Oh no, oops, I got 99 problems singing bye bye bye. Hold up, if you wanna go and take a ride with me, baby, one more time. Baby, just for you with me on the days when we were young, singing at the top of both our lungs on the day we fell in love. Abel, you've blown 2 accounts on this. You've blown 2 accounts because I saw your comment. I've blown my account, then I'm seeing that then you've blown your account again. That is not how we do trading on this trading assembly. You're supposed to be locked in for life, practice market discipline. We started this stream with minimal risk, then we kept on increasing as my account was growing. So as as a trader, you should also be moving like that, and that is the fastest, easiest way you can really be managing your risk in the market and reduces your reduce your chances of blowing an account. Red. I love looking at that. You're getting better. That's nice. That's nice. And you're trying to stay consistent. I mean, that's bold. That's how we're supposed to be moving. But guys, please don't blow your accounts. Don't do that. In trading, risk management is key. And if you're really trading with real capital, please don't play with that. Trading is so risky. You're supposed to have mechanical systems that are going to help you have a competitive edge over the market, so that even when you're taking L's, they are not so deep that they are going to wipe you out of the market. So let us look in with our next, just one attempt, guys. No risk, no trading, guys. That is true. That's true, but also you should know if you have no capital, you cannot trade. It is that simple. And I know most of the time when someone blows their capital, it takes them sometimes, it takes some guys some time to really get to fund again and trade. That's why whenever you're trading, risk management is key for you to avoid that. You're supposed to take the risk, but you have to take the risk that is worth it. I can see you guys. Oh my god, I don't want to look at sellers in this zone. Hey, my entry is invalidated.
You don't have to say just what you did. I already know. I had to go and find out from them. So tell me, how's it feel?
So guys, let us refund and try again. No risk, no Ferrari. I can see that, guys. But we risk smartly when it comes to trading. Because you could keep risking, and you end up not in a comfortable situation. So that's why you should always have a strategy, a risk management plan, a trading plan. All those are put in the market to protect you from being wiped out completely. Guys, some guys get wiped out for good. Imagine, for good. And you know how you're supposed to do it. You're supposed to lock in for life. But some of you want to get wiped out for good.
But since I got famous, I know they might I couldn't care less. Cause I know they raising some kind things. The kind things when no concern me. I just they run my things. Yeah. And I know they think I'm with the lifestyle.
Okay, let me see type congratulations, guys. Let me see type congratulations to Helen. Thank you.
It's my lifestyle. Because I know better than most of them. Them they expect me make a fool for them. I know they post for them. I know they online for 2 weeks. Then
You know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant.
I thank those who discover me. All I need is back to honesty. Many girls where they gon' find me, I know their time.
But in the meantime, give me something to ginger. Give it to me while I linger.
Nothing you go be doing that my love for you.
Linger.
I go fly you go Ibiza. You know you need the visa. Yeah, yeah. Now no my level it's a lifestyle. It's a lifestyle. I know they think it's my lifestyle. Yeah. Oh,
It's my lifestyle.
yeah. It's a lifestyle.
It's a lifestyle.
I know they think it's my lifestyle. Yeah. Oh, it's my lifestyle. Yeah.
This is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question, guys. Let us move on to our next.
Oh, I think to my London girls, oh yeah. See the vibe, Kalaku, eh. Make me hot, parachute, eh. Make me smoke, Kalaku, eh. Baby can understand deja vu, eh.
Il est Simon, il est Chu.
Eh. Me I never see, better food, eh. Now what I did, I did for you, yeah. Say now what I find, I got you,
Even when I did wish I the money there for my mind. 7 a.m. the money me I did for my grind. My pains disappear anytime I see you. My girl disappear anytime I see kiss. Even when I did wish I the money there for my mind. 7 a.m. the money me I did for my grind. My pains disappear anytime I see you. My girl disappear anytime I see kiss.
Even more what they need, baby. Wọ́n ti sọ pé owó kí jáde what's stopping, jájáyé non stopping. Ẹ̀lí mọ́ mú àwọn tèmi pé wọ́n ti sọ pé owó
Do
kí
you always
jáde
trade through shopping markets? Guys, to be honest, yes, I do. Because sometimes it's not always that you're going to find the market is trending, but the concept behind trading a shopping market, we all know a sideway market picks a zone and it is bouncing within that zone. That means it's bouncing up and down, but within that zone. And as a trader, what you have to do is to always make sure you buy low. You buy low and you sell high. That's how you deal with a choppy market. But again, if you cannot really trade a choppy market, you are okay. It is very okay to look for a pair that is moving to the way you're really understanding, or you could wait for the market to first get back to a zone, to a trade, to get back into trading, something that you can easily trade, because when it comes to trading markets are so easier to trade, especially if you understand the concept of market structure. Yeah. That's a special. No, but guys, one thing I can tell you, when you become a full-time trader, you're going to find yourself that you're going to learn to trade in all market conditions. Because I mean, if you're not trading, what are you doing and being a full-time trader? Are you going to just cancel that day? You have to find ways of executing. us look for another move. Let us look for another move.
Got a boy back home in Michigan, and it tastes like Jack when I'm kissing him. So I told him that I never really liked his friends. Now he's gone and he's calling me a bitch again. There's a guy that lives in the Garden State, and he told me that we make it till we graduate. So I told him that the music will be worth the wait, but he wants me in the kitchen when the dinner plate. I believe that we meant to be. But jealousy, get the best of me. Look, I don't mean to frustrate, but I always make the same mistakes, yeah. Always make the same mistakes, cause I'm bad at love. But you can't blame me for trying. You know I'd be lying, saying going
Guys, you're free to ask any trading question. This is a trading assembly. I mean, we are always here to learn as we are catching up the good vibes.
I never got the chance to make a mind because she fell in love with little thin white lines.
Random girl with an attitude, when you want no one, but we look so cute.
Both got way better things to do, but I always think about it when I do. I believe that I'm in too deep. Jealousy, get the best in me. Look,
I don't mean to frustrate, but I
always make the same mistakes, yeah. Always make the same mistakes, cause I'm bad at love. But you can't blame me for trying. You know I'll be lying, saying
nothing really fits me, looking at my history. Guys, you're looking for a second entry.
It's time to feel in face. It's time to feel in face. I know that you're afraid. I'm gonna walk away. It's time to feel in face. You know I'm bad at love.
You can't blame me for trying.
You know I'll be lying, saying
Second attempt is in, so let me see you type congratulations to Lachelle. Lachelle. Let me see you type congratulations to Rachel, Joshua, good to see ya. Love you. I love you too, guys. I love you too, guys. Join me, I deserve. All I know, whatever you are, to give me something that you never had. Guys, we move on to our next, and this is Trivian. Oh my god, that name reminds me of a friend I had at campus. She was a good girl. She was a good girl like me. Na 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 na. Na, na, Please stop in the streets. I'm seeing Fernandez from Brazil. Good to have you. Guys, don't forget to mark your attendance. Don't forget to mark your attendance when you're here. And this is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question, because why not? Because you recognize I'm trying, baby. First attempt is in, guys.
Yeah, okay. You need to get done at work. Come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of way to no one. Long distance, I need
Okay, someone is saying, in which script is this one? Which the market is running now? Like guys, I always said you, if a market really trends for some time, it's gonna get a little bit, it's not always, but sometimes it gets into a choppy period, then it trends again. That is like a sign that it is really taking a break. That is from my own experience and the times I've been watching the markets. So basically that's why we are in just spend some time away. So let us look for another move. Roger, let me move advance you, my dear. Dear.
I'm in London, I like to go and shop at the mall, shop at the Prada, shop at the store, shop in the drop and stop at the Euro. Louis Vuitton, cover my toes, throw my trousers, look at my bricks, these are my tennis, look at my shoes, chrome on socks and sandals, max outside in crocs and shambles. Please quick talk, no rambles, so they send they bread, I cancel. I like to tangle, twist and entangle, testing the angles, up in the bank though, I got the same goals, you with the same hoes, I like the bankroll. Pricey, he wanna fuck us on icy. He never met no one like me. It's pretty funny how now they all like me.
Alright guys, we move on to our next. Sorry about that. Shortage, you got a shortage on your funds and I got a long clip on my guns. I mean, that's true. Just one attempt, then we move. I'm in the future, I got a future. I'm in a new truck, I'm in a booth, yeah, drinking kombucha. Singing with Smiley, speaking me highly, trying to go Kylie. I wake up finally, suffering silence, waking up finding, checking the finest, choosing the finest. That's the environment. I'm at the timing. Baby, ooh, I'm checking my timing. Cleaning my watch, cleaning the top. Cleaning my job, I got a job. Kicking, drop my Nike. Very good check, they like me. Man tell me he like me, he wanna fuck me. Very lively. I mean, that's true. I'm in London, I like to go and shop at the mall, shop at the Prada. Cover my toes, throw my trousers, look at my bricks, these are my tennis, look at my shoes, chrome hot socks and sandals, man's outside in crocs and shambles. Please quick talk, no rambles, soon as they send they bread, I cancel. I like to tangle, twist and entangle, testing the angles. This is a trading assembly, you're free to ask any trading question. I am trading binary options. My strategy is simple, price action. So anytime you see me executing the move, I'm trading based on that.
Both of my feet so planted. Go ahead and ring on my finger, but yet I'm still killing them single-handed. Drum on a gun like I'm Ringo. I'm in this bitch with no chain like I'm Django. We from the ends where they know that they can't go. She go both ways, so I'm tasting a rainbow. Yummy, they got no more bread, they're crummy. The same way that Mello was staring at Bree is the way that I stare at the money. I'm ready to risk it, all if I lift it, bet I won't miss it. You a statistic, thought shit was sweet till we popped up, it popped off the top of your mystic. I go ballistic, hopped out the drop, got the drop on the up, now I'm opportunistic. I like to shop in the district, copping this, copping that, I'm proper capitalistic. Dreamer, running the game in my signature trainers. Balenciaga for joggers, I might
sellers are moving the market.
Splendid. Got no limits.
So let's see how it goes.
Blokes going broke trying to keep up with cold, but I make it back soon as I spend it.
And guys, I'm seeing market strength right now.
Straight cash for my vengeance. We don't pay back interest.
Yeah, market strength from sellers. Valid.
Said I'm king.
See, I mean, that's true.
Why would I choose between this one or that one when I know that I can have both? I laugh at these rappers for capping. I guess CIP ain't the only one out here with jokes. Mans don't want smoke. I just don't understand. I don't even think they should be allowed to breathe the same air as him, if you ask me.
I'm in London. I like to go and shop at the mall, shop at the Prada, shop at the store.
Alright, guys, let me see type congratulations to Kassin. Let me see type congratulations to Kassin. One attempt locked in, because why not? That's how we've been moving every night. It's a whole lot of money in the
Can we run no broke shit, that broke shit get old. Can we run no hoe shit, the hoe get too bold. I'm allergic to that no shit, my wrist game on.
And you know how we do it, everything goes to the participants.
Yeah. I can't wear the shit you bitches wear because it's cheap to me. It's some money at my table, grab a seat for me. Cost a ticket just to cover all my legal fees. I don't hang with jealous bitches, that's a weak disease. Hold on, run up. If you're broken in my business, then just shut up. I invested in my body, bitch, I'm done up. I look good, I like to fuck, I'm when the sun up. I put on my jewelry just to go to the bodega, and I keep it with me just so that I'm feeling safer. Fendi on my body, but my feet is in Bottega. Bitch, I'm getting money, give a fuck about a hand in this motherfucker. It's a whole lot of money in this motherfucker. Can we run no broke shit, that broke shit get old. Can we run no hoe shit, the hoe get too bold. I'm allergic to that no shit, my wrist game on cold. I might pick my cool fight just to match with my toes.
Hey yo, I put on my jewelry just to suck my nigga
Red,
I
see ya.
Like I'm about to tell him cough. Wait, how you on holiday? You can't give it to him dry like that. You gotta get that shit wet first. You gotta break them shit like that. Bring that shit back. Bring that shit the fuck back.
Let's keep moving, guys. Let's keep moving. Red, what's up? Joshua, I see ya. Godwin, I see ya. Angela, long time.
Cause if you run up, I guarantee you ain't gon' leave looking done up. Some little Chinese bangs with the bun up. I got the crown, little bitch, you just a run up.
Hey.
I put on my jewelry just to go to the bodega, and I keep it with me just so that I'm feeling safer. Fendi on my body, but my feet is in Bottega. Bitch, I'm getting money, give a fuck about a hand in this motherfucker.
It's a whole lot of money.
Can we run no broke shit, that broke shit get old. Can we run no hoe shit, the hoe get too bold. I'm allergic to that no shit, my wrist game on cold. I might pick my cool fight just to match with my toes.
Hey yo, Bia, I just been the block, well these bitches wanna be ya.
Probably cause my waist gone, money long near.
Well I ain't talking cars, long hair, don't Kia.
In a twin seater, you Tamara?
What's Tia? My pissy pretty, I fuck them like porn stars.
Ain't playing basketball, but my bitches is all stars.
Da Vinci on my wrist cause I'm richer than most bras.
Yo niggas bitches tripping and sending my boss car. I put on my jewelry just to go to the bodega.
You guys are crazy. You guys are crazy. What do you mean?
Fendi on my
You
body,
guys
but my
love
feet is in
Lucky
Bottega.
Dubé.
Bitch, I'm getting money, give a fuck about a hand in this motherfucker.
I think I know like 2 songs from him. I know Different Colors. One people, different colors. That's like one song I know about from him.
I might pick my cool fight just to match with my toes.
In real account today running it. How is it moving for you, my friend? How is it moving for you?
Hey, trips that you plan for the next whole week.
Bands too long for a nigga so cheap and your flex OD, your sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey.
It is actually moving well for you. That's nice. That's nice. As long as you're consistent, guys, you're gonna start seeing moves. That's what really changed trading for me as myself.
Through the Cooper 17, no bodies. You be staying low, but you know what the fight is. Ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. No, baby, in a bag, in a Birkin. No, not a vibe, put the work in. Laws and all, I love them all. To me, you're perfect. Baby girl, you got it, girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl, you got it, girl. I don't wanna play no games, play no games.
Guys, the platform that I'm using is Pocket Options Broker, and there's a link in the description for it.
You got it, girl, you got it.
And you can write to me via Telegram. There's a link in the description for my Telegram. Join my Telegram channel and you'll be with a community of fellow traders. And if you want a cool bot for trading, there's a link in the description for Skynet trading bot. It's for free. You can reach out to Skynet support team and get it. You got it, girl, you got it.
You got it, girl, you got it.
Freaky. Is that the best time to trade binary options? Guys, like I always tell you, the best time to trade to do trading is when you have time with no distractions. Yeah, and when it comes to binary options, remember we are setting expiration time that is short: 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. 15 seconds or less. So if you're really gonna be executing trades that are going to be closing in such short time, you're supposed to be trading in that time where you know you're not going to be distracted by anything. So that is the best time to be trading. When you know you're going to have at least 2 hours locked in, just you and the chat, and you focus more. That's it.
Seeing how you did, homeboy, so please take it easy. Good to have me on your side, I ain't saying that you need me. Yeah. 6 got tall, but I ain't trying to get preachy.
So let me hope you really got it, Joshua, my dear.
Cause I don't wanna play no games, play no games. I don't wanna play no games, play no games.
Freaky. Guys, we are going to catch up tomorrow, same time, 8 p.m. UK time. Make sure to mark your attendance early as we are sharing my strategies details. Yeah, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and there are videos on my channel, guys. Watch them, and more are still coming up. We are moving steadily, guys. We're moving steadily. Because why not? Okay, I'm glad you're noting that. So whenever you're picking trading session, you're supposed to pick when you have time. Guys, like me, I always tell you, whenever I'm trading, I do not be around people. I only be around people that are fellow traders. If you're not a fellow trader, or if you are a trader that is still doubting, or you are a trader that you're not 100% sure that you're a trader, I'm not going to be associating. I'm not going to be around you when I'm really starting a trading session. I want to be with people with like minds, or I am alone, locked in alone. That's how it should be. No phone calls. Like I always tell you, if you have a girlfriend, tell her to come when you're done with your session. No distractions. Anyways, guys, we catch up tomorrow same time, 8 p.m. UK time. Good night. I love you so much. Bye.